The first accessory I have to show you is on my face. How do you like these cute little butterfly sunglasses? A lot of you have asked about them from previous videos, so in this video, in the description, I will leave a link to several different types of butterfly sunglasses so you can order your own. And the next pair of sunglasses, what do you think? They're blue, and they make the world seem just a little bit cooler toned. These are triangular. This is one of 3 pairs that I have. Let's check out the next pair. What do you think of these? I think they are super cute. They do dull things a little bit, but let's check out the next pair. And these are the red ones. They make everything look pink. So if my hair didn't already look pink, whoa, my light went out and my cat jumped up here. Alright, so if you like these, I think you will like the last pair. Here they are, the last pair of orange sunglasses. So I don't know if they much protect me from the sun. I feel really cool doing it. So if you're interested in these sunglasses, you can find them on the Amazon website. Let's check out some jewelry. What do you think? I think this necklace is super cute with the black on one side, pink on the other, heart in the middle. I mean, who could ask for better? Let's check out the next one. And what do you think of this one? It's so cute. It's just a little ring right there with 2 pieces of faux leather holding it together. Let's check out the next one. And this one is very dainty. It's very delicate. It's just a piece of lace that has some clasps on it. So I wanted to mention a lot of these could be made just DIY. So maybe we'll do a DIY on making some jewelry later on. Would you like to see the next one? And here's the next one. Just like the last one, it is just a piece of lace that has little jewelry connectors at either side. You might notice that a lot of these are chokers, if not all of them. And I do love myself a good choker, so that is why I received this as a gift. Let's check out the next one. Now this is an odd one. It is very long, and it just has these little doodads at the bottom. So I'm just going to take and tie it in a bow. Here we go. So, I don't know. Let's see. Maybe we could wrap it around a couple times? Just kidding. Gotcha. I don't know. What do you think? Does this look like how it's supposed to go? Let me know in the comments below. Let's check out the next one. And this one is one of my absolute favorites. I think it's so cute with these 3D flowers on it. Are you ready for the next one? And this one is quite the tall cuff of a choker if I ever did see one. It does have a little bit of a bend right here. I'll have to steam that out. But it's really soft. It's kind of like a faux suede kind of feel. But there's more. Let's check out the next one. And here we have another one that is just a little ribbon around the neck. So very soft, very cute, very feminine. Would you like to see the next choker that I have to show you? There's just 4 more. That's it. So here we go. Next one. Here is another cute little lace choker. And here we have a little infinity sign to stand for my undenied infinity of love that I have for all of my subscribers, which, by the way, if you have not hit thumbs up yet, you're still here, hit thumbs up please. And if you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit subscribe and the notification bell. I post videos about wigs, fashion, home decor, arts and crafts, and pretty much everything crafty and creative you will find on my channel. In addition, if you would like to know when I post, be sure to hit the bell so that way you're notified every time I post. And if you would like a personal notification of any type of video, let me know and I'm happy to personally notify you of a new video coming out. I'd like to really grow my channel. I'm working towards 10,000 subscribers. When I hit that benchmark, I will be able to have fundraisers on my channel, which is something I'm very interested in doing. So I would love your support, and if you would just go ahead and hit subscribe and then watch some videos, that would be fantastic, especially if you like them. If you don't like them, probably probably don't hit subscribe or watch anymore. Like, why are you watching? Just switch the video if you're not into it. Let's check out the next choker. And here we have this cute little yin-yang symbol on my little choker here. It's just a, oh, whoops, it's inside out. Hang on. Okay, so now we have this cute little yin-yang here on a little ribbon, and there is just one choker left to show you, and it is a doozy. So hang on a second and I will jump into it. And the last choker, it was a doozy to put on. I had to lace it through and then tie a little bow. So a very interesting one.